If you want to send bulk emails with Mailchimp, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it quickly and confidently. Whether you're sending a newsletter, a promotion, or an announcement to your full audience, Mailchimp makes it easy to reach a lot of people at once without having to send emails one by one. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into the correct account that has access to the audience or subscribers you want to email. After you land in the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Campaigns section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are managed, including drafts, scheduled emails, and send campaigns. Next, find the email campaign that you want to send in bulk. If you already have one prepared, locate it in your campaign list and click Edit. This opens the campaign so you can review the content, make changes if needed, and prepare it for sending. Once the campaign is open, take a moment to make sure everything looks right. Check the subject line, the email design, the text, the images, and any links you included. This is important because once you send it to your full list, you want everything to be accurate and professional. Now move to the recipient settings. Click the drop-down where your audience or recipients are selected. If you want to send the email to everyone on your list, choose All Subscribers. This is the option that lets you send the campaign in bulk to your entire audience, as long as they're included in that audience list. If you do not want to send it to everyone, Mailchimp also gives you the option to target a specific segment. This is useful if you want to email only certain subscribers, such as people from a certain location, people who opened a previous campaign, or a group that matches a specific tag or interest. To do this, select the Target Segment option, add the segment you want, and confirm that it matches the audience you're trying to reach. After you've chosen the correct recipients, review the campaign one more time. Make sure the audience is correct, the content is ready, and you're sending to the right group. This extra check can save you from sending the wrong message to the wrong people, which is always worth avoiding. When everything looks good, click Send. Mailchimp will then deliver your email campaign to the selected subscribers in bulk. Depending on the size of your list, it may take a little time for the email to go out completely, but the process itself is very straightforward. And that's it. You've now learned how to send bulk emails with Mailchimp. You can send to all subscribers at once, or narrow it down to a specific segment whenever you need a more targeted message. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.